Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're here, you're probably wondering how to view PDF files on your Android device in 2025. Don't worry, it's super straightforward, and I'll walk you through it step by step. Whether you're a student reading lecture notes or a professional checking documents on the go, this guide will make it easy and hassle-free. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure your Android device is updated to the latest software. In 2025, Android versions like 16 or higher come with enhanced PDF support. Head to your Settings app, tap on System, then System Update, and check for any available updates. This ensures you get the best performance and security features. Once you're up to date, start with the built-in options. Android has apps like Google Drive or the Files by Google app pre-installed on most devices. Open the Files app, navigate to your Downloads folder or wherever your PDF is stored, and simply tap on the file. It should open automatically in a basic viewer. If it doesn't, you might need to select an app from the prompt. For more advanced features, like annotation or text search, download a dedicated PDF viewer from the Google Play Store. Search for apps like Adobe Acrobat or Foxit PDF Reader. These are free and packed with tools. After installing, grant the necessary permissions, then open your PDF. You'll love the new 2025 features, such as AI-powered text summarization or seamless cloud integration for editing on the fly. A quick tip: if you're dealing with large PDFs, ensure you're on a stable Wi-Fi connection to avoid buffering. Also, remember to enable offline access in your app settings for files you access frequently. And there you have it. Viewing PDFs on Android in 2025 is easier than ever. If this helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.